everyone, welcome back to our another video. How are you all? How was your day? I hope you are enjoying your day. So, in this video, we are going to learn about the next block, which is your sensing, and we will learn about the control block. Okay, so for that, we have to take one new project. So, you need to just go to the file, click on new. It means you are creating one new project. Okay, so you will get one fresh window here. So this is our cat sprite. Even if you want, you can add any other sprite. So suppose I want to add bat. So we have a cat, we have a bat. Okay. So now let's start our control block. So first thing, control means what? If you want to apply any condition, for that we are using this control block. A condition in the sense like suppose when I click on the flag, okay, I want to I want to move this cat only 10 times. Okay, so you need to just go to the motion, take this repeat, move 10 step. Like see, if I will run, you will get bad movement only 20, 10 times. See, okay, so this is one condition, right? Okay, after that we have a forever. This is our second condition. So what is difference between repeat and forever? Forever will move again and again. See, if you will take your bat here, so this is forever. Okay, and this is a repeat. Repeat only repeat. See 10 times. If you will add 20, it will repeat 20 times. Okay, whatever number you will write here, based on that, that will repeat. Okay, after that we have our next control, which is if. Now here we need to apply some condition. What condition you can give here? Like if suppose I want to take this, if that will touch to your sprite one, means if this bat will touch to the cat, so what we want to do, we will start one sound. I will take this. Now see what you will get. You will get this out because see this bat is touching to the cat. So by using your if, you can apply some conditions. Okay, again in the control we have if then else. Like what is this? So as you can see in your if block, we don't have a else. Like if your bat will touch to the cat, then only you will get the sound, otherwise not. But in if else, if your bat will touch to the cat, we want to start the sound. Else, we want to say hi or say hello. Now, see, if I will take my bat here, you will get hello. Why? Because this bat is not touching to the cat. If I will take this here, now see, you will get sound. It means here we have a two condition. If this will happen, so you will get the result. If this will not happen, so you will get your else part. Okay, after that we have a next, you need to wait until means we have to wait until this condition will satisfy. Okay, like that we have a repeat until, we have to repeat this thing until this condition will satisfy. For example, see this. When flag is clicked, we have to repeat until you have to touch to this bright one. We want to start a sound. Now see, you will get the sound until this bat will touch to the cat. So this is our another control. So with the help of control, we are controlling entire game, we can say. Okay. After that, in the control, we have a stop, or you want to stop the project. Even we can create a clone also. Suppose create a clone of myself. Like see, you will get two. If I will run, you will get one more. So this is like we are creating the clone. Clone means duplicate you will get. And when you will start the clone, so what you want, suppose I want to move. Here we are creating the clone, but when clone will create, so what we want to do? We want to move, see? And we want to remove this forever. Now see, when your clone will create, your clone will move. Okay, so this is our next control, which is you have to create. Suppose after that I want to delete this clone. After that you can delete that. Okay, so this is our entire control block. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon if you want more latest update. So thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.